It's a nor'easter causing a blizzard. We're kind of calling it the blizzard of 2026. So you're hearing about the historic blizzard in New Jersey, New York, Rhode Island, Massachusetts. They're definitely getting walloped with snow. We talked about it. Just a good thumping of snow down there with 20 inches possible. We're getting not that impressive snow totals, but the winds and the energy with it and blizzard conditions possibly. So we're about 200 miles away from the center of low pressure on this storm, and the wind field is remarkable. We're on the top edge of the storm, so we're really not getting any major impacts. This storm continues to move off to the east and northeast. If it had taken a track kind of like this, in between Cape Cod and Cape Breton, Nova Scotia, that would have been our big storm. But this is definitely one that we're looking at as blizzard conditions. So what makes a blizzard? We've been talking about this. It's very picky. We're picky in the weather world, right? Whiteout is just, just as bad. And you go outside, you can't see where you're going. But when you get to 35-mile-an-hour wind gusts or greater, and you get visibility less than a quarter mile with that snow, you can't see. That's officially blizzard when it's 3 consecutive hours. I've been kind of watching, and this is how it gets. We have some spots that have had the gusts, but not the visibility, and some that have had the visibility, but not the gusts. So we have not had any locations officially. And again, they're right at the airport, so there could be somebody in Buxton or somebody in Arundel that has gotten it, but they just haven't measured that officially.